else. Actually, can everyone say hi to Ollie?
Hi, Ollie.
So he's going to be watching this video. So I had a friend who wanted to learn how to use GitHub and his website builder, and I haven't had any time, so I said, look, we'll just record it and I'll put it on YouTube and you can watch it later on. So this website builder is pretty cool. So on each of the computers you'll see, so you'll see all the computers that look like this, the wallpaper looks like this. We'll have the Octocat as the wallpaper, and there should be in the start menu, like all these apps, one of which is Mobirise, which is a website development kit, and then one of which is GitHub. So you've probably heard me harp on about GitHub before. We're going to be using those two things. You've got GitHub installed, you own your computer. So we're going to use that for a lot of stuff. So what you can do with this website builder is really cool. So it's zero code, but you can code the back end of it as well. And it builds websites that are called bootstrap websites, which if you go onto the web and you're on different types of devices, so one being mobile phone or tablet or a laptop or a big screen like this, they all have different screen sizes, right? With bootstrap websites, it makes them look nice, like across everything, and this kit helps you really do that. So has anyone built a website before? You all have? Yeah, what do you use? So Weebly is cool. It doesn't build bootstrap websites, and you can't do any code on the back end, right? So it's called what you see is what you get. So same as Wix and all those sort of platforms. They're cool, and they're cool for design. This lets you learn about the code sitting behind it as well, which is called HTML5. So with this website builder, you can see I've made this beautiful looking website here. There's not much in here. But basically when we load it up, you'll have a blank page, and down the bottom right hand corner here, you can do add block. And then you have all these different blocks that you can actually integrate into the website. So say you wanted to put in some text, you literally drag and drop it over here, and then scroll up, and then we can write whatever. This is my text, and then a blurb about I love Minecraft because it's awesome, blah blah blah. Good spelling. Now, that's like say you want to do text. If you want to do an image, you can actually let's do like this. Say we paste this thing here, we're like mouse over that, just go to that block, 3 dots, boom, remove. Okay, and that one I just made is gone. Now, so we want to change the image on that. Click on there. There's a site library, so that's all the images that are already in the library. And then there's a browser computer, so if you have a computer, like a image on the computer you want to upload, or a photo you're taking, you can. And then there's a search function, so let's see if they have this might be blocked actually. Yeah, everything's blocked. So we just have to browse the computer and do your site library. But say you wanted to change that, so the image that I just had in there of my old Minecraft space, you can do okay, boom, and it's in. So then, once you're happy with the website and you're happy with the way it looks, you can actually change all this as well. Minecraft, whatever. I want everyone to do a website about what's important to you, right? So like anything that you like, whether it's pixel art or it doesn't even have to be out of this space, anything that's important to you, you can make a website about it. When you're finished, just click on publish. This is the important part, and this is something we're all going to get wrong, but it's okay. Instead of just doing local drive and doing publish, click on browse, because we're all using this one account. Click on the folder that's there, do new folder, call it your name, and then your last name, capital letter. Select folder, and select, then publish. Share that. And your website. So once that's up, then the last thing we do, once you're really happy with it, at the sort of end of the day or end of the lesson, we go onto GitHub. And you'll see on here, there's a whole bunch of changes that we've just made. And that's the code sitting behind that website that we just built. So you can start learning about that and seeing changes as you go. We put a summary, and then we do commit to main, so let's do whatever. Commit. And then push to origin. And so that's live on the internet now. So that website that we just made, in that short amount of time, is something that people all over the world can see at once. It's pretty damn cool. It's a really powerful tool. It's really fun. But anyway, that's probably enough for Ollie. See you, Ollie.